Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to provide you where is the LoJack located on a car. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you like LoJack is a system designed to protect your vehicle. So that's why the exact location is not disclosed by their team, or you can say like by anyone, and it should be not disclosed. Okay, because if the location is disclosed, then the security level is going down, and maybe your relative, maybe your known person know exact location, and maybe someone stole your car, and there is lots of chances. So if they know the exact location, they can disconnect the device, and you will lose your all the lesson, or you can select SS. Okay, so the exact location is not disclosed. The device is installed in any area of your car. There is no specific location, depends on technical staff or any technical person who is going to install. So this is the, you can select information. We cannot say 100% the exact location of this device in your car, where is the exact location. Okay, so if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And this is the information, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends, and bye bye.